Hi, Eric Kornacker with MMI. I'm here with
Kristen Middlesworth.
We're standing in front of a Bradbury 16-stand roll forming line making our panels. Buying this Bradbury 16-stand roll former, you're getting the tooling package that makes two profiles with the machine. If you bought the tooling new, you'd be spending $30,000 to $40,000. You're getting it here included in the price of the machine. It's got 3-inch diameter shafts, like I said, 16 stands, and it's 48 inches wide. That means either the sheet or the coil you would feed in is 48 inches wide. This machine is tooled for our panels, also A panels. With a slight adjustment of the tooling, you can change to 2 different profiles. The control of the machine is very simple. It's a start-stop line. Once you start it rolling, it continues to roll through with sheets. This is a pre-cut line, meaning from the coil, you cut it before it feeds into the machine. The sheet feeds into the machine, comes out the other end, they stack up. When looking at roll formers, if you come to the last station of a machine that has tooling on it, kind of look at what you're seeing formed, that'll give you an idea what the pattern is. This is the last stand of the machine, so the panel is going to adhere to that form. You would buy this particular machine to make any kind of panel. This particular machine makes our panel an A panel, which would be the sides or the interior panels of a building. Sometimes people use it for roofing as well. But you can take the tooling off this machine and tool it up for any desired panel. These roll form machines are very versatile because you can pull the tooling off and put other tooling on. You can run this for a day with the R panel, change the tooling over to A panel, run it for another day, and keep switching the tooling back and forth, or get completely different tooling to run another profile on the machine. So they're good machines to buy, have on your floor, and run several different profiles on to make money. Great thing about these roll formers, very low maintenance. Adding grease, looking at the oil levels, looking at the bushings on the shafts and also the motor drive, and checking the controls periodically. That's all that needs to be done. The Bradbury machine is still made in the USA. You can get parts available, drawings available, service available, which makes this machine really easy to maintain and keep running, keep producing products.